All right, George Sports Cards here. We're doing a box of Benchwarmer 2015 Signature Series. Good luck, guys. Looking for the box topper auto. Let's see if we get it. We did not get one on this one. Box topper, though, is Brandy Grace. Brandy Grace. Took no batting off in that one. Nope. Start off on top, Jessica Burciaga, 1 of 3. 1 of 3. Then we got Carrie Minter. Bugging here. Carrie Minter. Pink autograph. Red back. Actually, this is packed out different than the last ones. Val Keel. This is interesting pack out. These are usually like almost to the end. Val Keel red back. Pink auto. And another pink auto. Michelle Baena. Michelle Baena pink. Nikki Ziering. Mickey Black. Rookie auto. Jessa Hinton. Jessa Hinton. Mallory Mackey. Lisa Gleave. Another rookie auto. Madeline Brinson. Brooke Morales. Back here. Come on, Brooke. Focus. There you go. Alicia Johnson. Holly Durow. Yvette Nelson. And then our boot camp base will be on 1 stack. Lakatos. Allie Mason. Stacy. And nice. 101 Desi Mitchison. Our first 101. Boot Camp 101 Desi Mitchison. Carly Lauren and Angel Boris will be in 1 stack. Katie Lohman, 25. 25 of 25, eBay 101. Then we got Kitana Baker. Kitana Baker. 5 of 25, Kirsty Lingman. 5 of 25. I'll throw some of these up here. Katie Lohman, Schoolgirl auto. And our swatches. 2-color, part of the Benchwarmer. Angel Boris Reed. Angel Boris Reed, 2-color, boy beater. Next we got Jessica Burciaga. Barber fleece jackets. The last one is Val Keel for the jersey on the top there. Val Keel. That was the box, guys. Thanks again.